Okay. Let's see everything. We got everything ready. I think the 15-minute chart here. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna not pay attention to the 1 minute too much until we see. We're likely gonna get a sweep down there with all these liquidity on ES and then low resistance. 20 minutes till FOMC right now. But good afternoon, everyone. Okay, let's see. So we have basically two moves, 2 p.m., which is the release, and then we have the press conference at 2:30, which is what typically people usually go for to try to trade. Not the immediate reaction, but the post reaction. But yeah, we also are setting up with low resistance going downwards. So we're just the whole day we've just been consolidating back and forth, accumulating, and we're gonna get some action here. I have mostly got some Apex evals that I'm gonna try to pass the stream here. What's some let's see here. Lots of firms actually don't want you to trade 2 p.m. drop, so be mindful of that. It could be against your rules or against the firm rules. So be check and make sure with that. Okay, I'm gonna try to get my evals going here. Let me just set up some of my trade copier. So 2 p.m. is going to have a strong immediate release, and then we're just going to chop back and forth. And then 2:30, I'm going to see if I can take some funded trades. So basically going to try to only eval until the news. Make sure I have everything. Good. Oh, here, let me see if Lanto wants to hop on. I have the Discord thing. I just can't have two music and other voice audio. I don't have it. Learn how to set that up. You can trade news on evals, just not on P8. Yeah, that's actually the theme of it. I wouldn't recommend trying to trade your funded on like these volatile news release. Okay, let me see. Just 15 minutes still there. if you want to get some evals on Apex, you can use my affiliation. It supports me in the channel. Use code. I just said in the chat that I have some 50K's Apex that I just bought. I'm gonna try to pass it on stream. Let's see if we can do that. Okay. Let me see if I can. I can't connect to my elite account. That's the problem again. Yeah. I'm not gonna be able to show my trades because I can't connect to TradingView. All my trades are on Rhythmic, so I'm gonna try to demonstrate as best I can by doing the buy sells. They need to fix that with Elite. I don't know why it doesn't let me connect. But so we did sweep some liquidity here. I would want to see more actual push. You guys are, oh, someone does top step. Hey all, excited for some volatility. I'm gonna type this in again. All my accounts are Rhythmic. It doesn't let me connect to. That's just a heads up. All my accounts are Rhythmic, or it's Rhythmic or TradeAvate, but some of the TradeAvate doesn't let me connect to TradeView anymore. I might have to get accounts that are specifically for TradingView. Okay. Get set up here. I still want a more actual sweep. The sweep could happen at 2:30 though. We still have this lower liquidity. We still have the sell side here, which should be a little bit lower. Yeah, so like we haven't met that sell side yet. Yeah, I'm gonna try to trade Apex, and I have a my fund futures static that I'm gonna look to see if I can get a trade to go into. It's gonna be a big move, so you don't have to do like max size. I'm just gonna probably do like 4 or 5 minis, which is double the normal funded. With Rock Plus console, you can copy trade your trade through TradingView. Yeah, usually I have everything copy traded, and then one of the firms that allows me to connect to TradingView, which is Elite, it doesn't let me connect anymore for some reason. It stopped letting me do that, which I'll show you right now. Like, I can connect my funded futures, but I don't think I'm trading anything there yet. Am I Elite here? Try to connect, doesn't let me connect. And I try to grant the access. I think I just need account specific for that. Morning price actually gave me a nice unicorn, made 360 across 20 accounts. Is that funded or is that eval? If it's funded, congratulations. You're gonna be one of the top ones today on a news day. Okay. But hopefully we can get some good trade going for you guys. That would be the plan. Okay, I think, let's see, is Lanto in here? Let me see. I'll change it to Discord. Hopefully we get some good commentary from Lanto. He's a very experienced trader as well. Let me see if we're connected. Discord. Okay, should be this. Lance, okay, speak? Hello? Oh, you're very quiet. Let me see. Try again?
Hello.
Yeah. Okay, I got you. Let me know if everyone can hear Lanto right now. Oh, it's funded. Nice, Eric. 20 accounts, $360 per account. Gotta keep on looking for those type of trades. Alright. Lanto, are you planning on trading any accounts for the news drop? Like any evals?
Nah, I'm gonna stay cash. But I think FOMC can move well. It could definitely help with evals. I think you're trading it right, so it can move pretty decent. But
Are
yeah,
you planning to trade the 230 move then? Or are you just gonna just
um,
tape read everything instead?
yeah, I want to tape read most likely.
Alright, so that's fine. You're not gonna have any. You're not gonna. It's not gonna affect your day at all. No matter what
Yeah, nah.
happens.
Well, I might. I mean, I don't have many evals left, so I don't know what I could trade, but I might just go on one eval and try something out. But
Coppa,
I mean,
Coppa
I traded.
Apex and let's run it. This is just for the hell of it.
I think I'm capped out on Apex. I might have to do the method. You know the method. What I gotta do. But I might do top step. We'll see.
How many? Yeah, you have a lot of top step evils still.
Yeah.
You have 9
I have
minutes left.
6 expiring tomorrow. They're almost funded though.
Oh, and what's the balance at right now?
They're at 158.
Oh, you should just, yeah, try to pass them.
Yeah, tomorrow.
All right, let me see. I'm still setting up my accounts here. I'm going to take a 2 minute real quick. 2 p.m. What's your prediction? Up or down?
I think we see an initial pump, and then we take some type of external, and then
And
head back
then
down.
you think 230 distribute lower?
Yeah, historically that's what we tend to usually do. So I think that's my prediction. I think last occasion we saw a price shoot into Asia high, tag that overnight high last FOMC, and then we dumped off that. So we could do something similar today where
I kind
we could
of
tag.
want like for me, I want to see like a 2 p.m. drop, like a very quick drop, and then immediately like rebalance upwards, and then 230 maybe get slammed back down.
Yeah, I think that could be a good possibility as
So
well.
like it's like kind of 3 fake moves.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, it should be volatile for like the first 10 minutes, and then in between two o'clock and 2:30 for about 15 minutes, it should be a little dry, and then as soon as J-Pow takes stage, that'll speed it up tremendously. I think Asia's gonna be good tonight, personally.
Yeah,
So I'm probably gonna trade
typically
that.
post FMC, you're gonna get really good price action and
Yeah,
like
just
more so expansion or continuation to wherever it
exactly.
heads to.
You could really gap some accounts doing that. I'm probably gonna do that tonight rather than just trade FOMC.
Let me see.
Yeah, you guys are watching live. You guys are about to see him grind some evals and
See if
hopefully it goes
we
his
see if
way.
we get it.
Yeah. What are they fresh? What are
Yeah,
they
so
sitting
it's
at?
completely fresh.
The
I just
fresh?
bought them just now.
Okay.
I want to see if I can get the trades going. 230 though. Maybe we'll throw some in. The 2 p.m. drop,
How many
but I have
how many
like
accounts do you
15.
have?
I have 15 right now.
15? 15? Ooh. Okay.
15's not even that expensive. That's
No,
what
no,
they.
15 is kind of. I mean, the cap's 20, so 15 is,
Yeah, well, I'm
pretty
not trying
nice.
to pass all of them. I'm trying to see if I can pass like half of them.
Oh, okay.
So let's see. We're gonna need some market guidance from you, Lanto.
I think we see a push into high, target some external, and then just come back down because that's what we tend to usually do historically. Um, um I mean, we'll see though. I mean, we got that at 2, J-Pow 230. That's my prediction.
All right, I think I have it set up now. Let's get the ball rolling.
You might see 334 and then Q, and then shift back down. We might even see 375 pump it, or not 375. What do you call it, 380, and then pump back down. I don't imagine us seeking all-time high again though. I don't see that happening.
Stocks won't go up.
Yeah.
All right, let me read the chat. How many Apex accounts can be created under one IP address? I think you can only have 20 funds total in one household. Okay, let's see.
No. Fix this up.
Okay, let's see. All right, everything set up. We're good. We're good to go. We're good to go. Wow, we're already moving pretty. Let's see.
What's your sizing? Are you gonna do 2 p.m. or oh my god, are you gonna do 2 p.m. flat or 2:30?
I'm trying to do it for 2:30, but maybe we'll toss something in 2 p.m. just to see if we can get a quick drop on it or quick somewhere move. Let's see, 25. I'm just setting things up still. I'm gonna try to I'm not gonna do more than 4 or 5 minis because that's where trailing really snaps you out quick when you have trailing that type of trailing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, so you're on the okay, that makes sense. So yeah, I would just try to say look for continuation.
Yeah,
to be honest.
I think didn't last FOMC. I feel like we traded live or I did it on Discord and it was like I think like a 100% drop the first like 2 seconds. And I was like, damn, this looks like CPI, and then it just reversed straight back up.
Yeah, a lot of wickage. 2 p.m. candle is gonna be a lot of wickiness.
Every time I hear the water ball, I think you should hydrate. I drink so much water when I'm streaming because I'm actively talking and reading chat and all that. Let's see.
Dude, I've gotten accustomed to ninjas so far the past like week or so. It's been so nice. So nice.
Yeah, like people are so used to trade evade, and they're like, it's just like that new thing, so that they can't like really change their habits yet. But then once they actually adjust to it, it's like Ninja is actually so efficient.
Yeah, very, very.
Okay, let's see. 2 minutes. Okay, it's go time. So where am I looking? There's still good liquidity on the downside still. I still want to see it plummet downwards. I don't know if that's gonna happen 2:30 or 2, which is the release. It's gonna be difficult. I'm gonna be in the 5 minute here. Just gonna watch it.
You're gonna need to zoom out your chart because we're about to fucking see him.
Yeah. All right, let me just stay in the 5 minute.
I'm kidding, but I really do think we see
I want to see this just do a quick drop and then retrace back up, and then 2:30 to strip it back down. It's a bold prediction, but it's fun. See if we can call it right.
$334 is where I can see price go to. Maybe 375. There you go.
pop.
There's 334. Alright. If we take this eye out, I think we could see 375. If we shift, I think we see back down. There's FOMC data for you.
Damn. I'm still waiting for the 230 move. Let's see. The 230, like with this pop upwards, now I'm like in price going down now. For 230.
I agree.
Wait, where's the... Okay, my candlesticks are so... It's a pretty large move that I can't even fit it in my screen. I just gotta stay in the 5 minute for now. This is where... Okay, let's see. I have tech on my screen. I have the big six. They're all ripping up crazy too. Nvidia. Let's see how far we can go with that.
Yeah, we're probably...
All right, now we just let it play out and just wait for 230.
Mr. J-Pow. Is that in your
Wow,
finish,
it's still going.
Yeah.
I want to see this turn here. This is where I could start trying to scalp back and forth on my evals. But let's just let this play out a little bit more before I'm clear about it.
That is quite a massive move.
Alright, let me rechat just in case there's anything.
Guys, I know that's why... Go ahead.
Anyone got any of the moves upside here? It's a pretty crazy move right now. I'm just letting it play out until we get 230 here. But look at the high time frame. Let's see, we're seeing if we want to reach this buy side and Q, and then ES. I think did we get all-time high again? I think we did get all-time high again.
Yeah, we did. I believe so.
So we'll see how well it can hold above here.
The XMT between ES and NQ it's been wild.
Wow. Too much stuff on my screen that I can't even see everything.
You guys are wondering from a technical standpoint why historically we chop the day of FOMC? It's because of this right here, what you just saw. Price accumulates and then distributes through macro. Look at your comments, Brian. Someone got filled short 30 points under.
Tried to market short and fill me 30 points below. Did it do a wick? Let me actually see. I don't think it did a wick though. Like we didn't get a false move downwards like I anticipated. We just got a straight shot up. Alright, I want to see how well this is going to hold on ES especially. Because that's his all-time high marked here. Which let me mark on the 5 minute too.
Could slow down here up until 230 now.
Yeah. I think it should turn somewhere around here. And let it consolidate more, then we can get a distribute.
I'd be shocked if we see all-time high in NQ. Be shocked as heck.
Just trying to look at higher time frame here. Hey, we're still pushing. There's that push upwards.
A consistent move though off data. Like it's been pretty consistent. We've seen one direction. So like on CPI, we just like wick. It's been pretty indirectional.
I'm not gonna try anything yet.
You guys are brave sells for shorting. Yeah, if anyone's short, I think it's early. I think the short.
It's too early, yeah. Usually FOMC, like, it's so trendy that, like, you really want to wait for your time to join in. And doing it early is just going to get you killed. Alright, let me see. I'm going to try look at the 1 minute now. If we get a violation on the 1 minute, I'll try to jump in on eval until 2:30. So let me just do this too. It's closer. I'm not going to short until we get a closure under the 1 minute here. Eval just gambling one would have worked, not for bogus fill. Yeah, the fill is going to get difficult with this volatility. That's why you got to be cautious of. You're not going to get the best fills. Why is it? It's not connected. Okay. All right, let's see if we got closure here. I'm just join on eval here.
That's so.
Damn, we're already at deep sell. Alright, I'm gonna try to join in on eval. I have 2 contracts in on Apex eval. See if we get continuation. Just evals here. Just see this push lower. I'm gonna add some more if we come to this 870 area. Just gonna try to get 5 total. Alright, let me see if we get to that here. A 30-second.
Commend you for trading on TradingView whilst this isn't happening. I bet that input delay is nasty.
It's not too bad, it looks like, though. Just waiting. I get some ads up here. We have the 1 minute.
What's your take profit?
I'm gonna try to see if I can hold through it until if I see a substantial move. Okay, let's see. Let's see the push down. I need 20. Was it 3K profit on this count?
Oh, you're in micros. Okay, makes sense.
There we go. This is what I have right now. I don't know if I can see it. Let me see. I think I can see it. I'll take one off there. Let's see if we can. If I get it halfway, I can just finish it later. Okay, there we go. Just want to see this come down more. And keep in mind it's trailing if you're on Apex. So I'm keeping a green stop on it. There we go.
Might slow down a bit. J-Pow's gonna really move it though. You'll see the big move during J-Pow.
BPR here. I'm gonna see this come up and then come down. Yeah, I'm executing on the Ninja because I can't connect to TradingView live here. So I'm gonna try to commentate as fast as I can and make sure you guys are fast forward on your screen so you can see any things that changes here. I'm gonna get this in BPR. I'm gonna have one in right now, then we're gonna add some more to it. Max size is gonna be 5 on this Apex Evals. Okay, gonna add some here, which I'll show. I guess I need to keep in mind. I need to show it on this too.
Oh, I see that woman in BPR talking about.
I want to see this turn, but if I have 4 evals connected right now. I'm waiting for 230 to really slam it. The thing is disgusting though that when I shorted here at 40s, it were 345s. It went to like 25 points, but I only took half of it off, and now it came back against me and trailing me. So that's why the only way to counteract that is to reduce your size. This trailing is not too much of a difficulty.
Up here. Someone in my chat just made 22K off FOMC. What the?
Like funded or what do you do?
I believe it's an eval. But like, why is he sizing that high when his take profit goes like? Okay. Crazy.
See this turn here.
Yeah, one good sell candle and it'll probably turn back down relative low.
I'm looking for this turn here.
The displacement.
Slam it down to this 15-minute here. Someone remind me when we're like 5 minutes till 2:30 so I can prepare for that. Mentally prepare for it.
I got you. We got about 12 minutes.
Doing good so far, these counts. It's going to be really up to you for your TPs. As long as we're good in profits, just my tip is just try to reduce your size and let it really play out before doing anything crazy.
I want this to be the top, because if it is,
that'd be good. Who you streaming with? This is Lance. So Lance, you can say something in the chat so they can see your name. Alright, I want this to slam down here.
That BPR ad was nice. I expected to slow down though until J-Pow. Hopefully we sell.
Alright, I'm gonna take some off. I'm not gonna demonstrate on the trade VBs. I'm trying to focus on my accounts right now here. There we go. We're looking pretty good here. Didn't get the good sell I wanted. Okay, I need to see a good sell candle here so I can deliver downwards.
There you go.
There we go. There we go. Alright. Getting a lot of counts hitting the goal here. This is basically my trading view right now, or my ninja right now. I'm trading many accounts with lots of open position. But if you played this as a top, this is where you should be looking for main ads. You're winning right now. One in.
That's a beautiful trade, bro. That's really good.
Dude, I don't know how better I could really play that.
That was awesome.
I don't know how better I could really play that.
That BPR ad was
Yeah,
like,
dude, BPR ad is like so spot on that like no drawdown on that, and that's why I was like, oh, we're adding here, and I'm gonna let this play out. So basically, you got like, I don't know, I need 3K, right? We're getting there. I want to see maybe I can finish this off today, or I can just save it. Getting it like very close to done, I can just save it on a easier day. But dude, no miss on these counts though. It's pretty good. I think I bought 15, and we got like 10, like very close already. Is he YouTube? He trades on Twitter and YouTube. Yeah, you can post your social media, Lanto. You can just post your Twitter or something so they can.
I mean, I want to do that. It's your streams.
No, it's fine. So they can see who you are.
You can just it's Lanto_trades. That's my Twitter.
Dude, tell me this is not a killer trade, guys. Tell me this BPR ad was not the best thing ever.
That was really good.
Like, you could see all my fills here. I'm doing it real time, and we're doing evals. If this was funded, that'd be very nice too, but not funded.
If we take out 222 as well, we close flush, like we could really slam down.
I think 230 has to flush down now. We have so much sell side below, and this could be the manipulation move that everyone's calling for. What tends to happen is a lot of people would be praying for it, and then we might have manipulation first, like that 230 move. Like it could really go downwards, but it could go up first for the first 5 minutes and then really expand. So you gotta really be patient, let it play through. Halfway done with 3 apex counts. Yeah. The way that I'm going about it is like very small size. I'm going for big moves. But if you guys went like a little bit more than me, you could have passed on one. Yo, look how 2 minis are doing here. 2 minis are 1500 already. That's the power there. Okay, yeah, I have basically, I only have one left on this one account here. 1800, 1800, 2500.
You got something with Brian credit because
dude,
trading on TradingView on a macro event like this when price is this volatile and that input delay, like I don't know how you do it.
Well, yeah, the thing is like, if you like look at that stream, like bro, tell me I did not say like we're gonna look for shorts at this BPR ads here, and like I did that like 5 minutes before it went there. I was like, it's on the money, and I have my hard stop on if it really does go past it. But yeah, that's kind of screen time experience with trading FOMC. Like if you haven't backtested or experienced FOMC real time like many times already, then you're not gonna understand like how this is moving. And if we can go 2 for 2 trying to trade FOMC 230 press release or press conference, that'll be big as well. Yeah, but the delay on YouTube, especially, I think if you fast forward, it should only be like a few seconds. And none of my trades, I'm gonna try to sell market I don't do that. I'm gonna be like, okay, once this closed below, I'm gonna add. Once it comes up to this area, this BPR, this breaker, I'm gonna short here. So that's the thing. Okay. Am I all out on this counts now? I think I am. Let me make sure. Just have a lot of things going on right now. And just, yeah, be careful with trailing drawdown. Like I said, the best way to counteract that is to reduce your size. If you did like, let's say you did 10 minis, it goes up like in your favor. And the moment it goes halfway back to break even, you might get killed right there. But
we flush under this, so we'll sell right into
yeah, dude, I think 230 has to flush down. Maybe 230 we could do a move back up, just like a soft move, and just like see if we can accumulate more before really distributing downwards. But I'll be really surprised if we get 2 p.m. and 230 delivering upwards. That'd be kind of like it'd be like a new thing. but press 1 if you guys took the short with me. I'm basically mostly out right now. I'm gonna wait for 2:30 now. 10 more minutes. I only have 1 minute left out of like 12 accounts or 10 accounts or whatever. I don't know. I think this is probably 12 accounts. I only have 1 left on it, which this was at 1800. Now it's coming back to bite me a little bit. Nice. Well done. Lots of people in this. That's the point of the stream. Like when we're trading volatility, try to showcase and get my point across real time. And you guys could love the trade or hate the trade depending on the result. We're here to show it. That's also another thing with BPRs. I know a lot of you guys kind of like neglect BPRs in a way. You think of it, FEGs, inversions. BPR is so good and it's so strong in signature and price. So once we got this FEG, I was only looking for shorts if we got a closure in violation of the Bullish PD rate, which is at this candle 205, and we made a displacement creating a BPR. I'm watching that very carefully. If we got to close above that BPR, then it can really expand upwards. Yeah, if you're looking at the early entry, I did get early entry at the closure, but that's just a starter here. And then once I got to the BPR, that's where I loaded up. You can see that on some of my accounts here, where I'm loading up mostly at 68, 70s, and also this account 68. That's where I'm heavy loading. And throughout the trade, like even we got a good average like 358 after these 2 trades, the low starter and the high tick here. The average is still pretty good.
Yeah, it's a 40-point trade, so you can't do much better.
Eric is asking what makes it a BPR. You basically have a bullish FEG here, and once we close below it, this bullish FEG becomes a bearish inversion. And once we made that displacement down, we also have a large bearish FEG here. So bearish inversion, bearish FEG. The overlapping of that is a BPR. So it's kind of nested together in a way. For this to really turn, it needs to close above both the inversion and the FEG. So it got to close above the BPR, which is typically difficult. It's 2 things holding it down. And we're trading the 1 minute, so it's the best thing we can really look at when we're on this low time frame. I have if you want more info on that, go on my Twitter and go in the highlights. I think it's like BPR with breakers. Definitely take a look at that. I explained that thoroughly, and once you watch me trade it real time, like how else are you gonna learn this? I'm telling you, watch this BPR. I'm gonna add short here. It's a powerful signature price where it'll hold price down, and to see that happen, to see that come up and reject real time, it's really gonna hammer into you. Oh, make a Twitter. Twitter is popping for trading. Okay, anything I should mark? I haven't been looking at anything. We don't even have much gaps here. The 2 things to pay attention. Typically, if you're on low time frame, this is a good tip too. There's gonna be a lot of FEGs, a lot of imbalances, a lot of inversions. You only want to focus on the ones that are key, which is one of the easiest one to recognize is the imbalance that was created to take out a large high time frame liquidity, which is this buy side here. And same thing with ES here. This imbalance was the one that pushed up higher past this buy side. So that's why like I'm not marking this FEG. I'm not marking any of the lower moves down here. So you want to be selective and only use the one that you could really play. Yeah, so like very easy to see this FEG here, or BPR, whatever you want to call it, slam through buy side, and then we slam lower. Now, this was used as support. Now it's gonna be resistance. 5 minutes of power. Okay. Thanks for the reminder. Let's get ready to roll again. This is gonna be difficult. We're gonna try to play as best we can. I think we go lower though, but I don't know. I don't really know, man. Market been just so bull trending that like what can you really expect? At least at the bright side though, ES took all time highs, and if we can move away from that, that should be high of the week, high of however long. You're long, Roshan. Hopefully it plays out, man. I'll just put my stop above here for this last contract. I'll do the same thing. Would hate to see it taken out though, but it is what it is.
As soon as J-Pow says, good afternoon, you'll see.
Good afternoon. It's like, okay, we're dumping. Sell.
Yeah. I still expect overnight lows to get taken though. I think we dump lower.
He said, hello. Everything just dumps.
Yep. There's videos on TikTok of it too. If you guys have seen it. It's the funniest thing.
Alright, I don't know if I want to pass these evals or just try to get them slowly. We'll see if 230 gives us nice price action. But it'll be pretty nice to try to pass all 15 accounts with no failure on them. That'd be pretty nice to do.
When Brian doesn't have that lo-fi music, you know he's
We're focused.
He's locked in.
No more games. I still want this to hold down. Let's take the 5 minute. We did dip down the 5 minute FAG here. This is really trying to come up higher, but knowing historically with FOMC, we manipulate upward, which takes out a high time for PD rate here, both on NQ and ES. ES took an all-time high, NQ took a strong buy side. I would love to see this turn down now. I would love to see it turn down now. The key thing though, also another thing, 230. I think last FOMC, if my memory serves, it happened 3 minutes after 230. So everyone's like, "What's happening? Why no drop?" And then boom. So it's not gonna be always on the dot 230. You gotta really watch it. Okay. Still pushing up. This could be just setting up for a short entry. This is gonna take me out. I'm gonna let that happen because I'm already mostly out on my real counts. Let's look at FOMC. Look at. I'll be so shocked if this is a slam down, though. It's gonna be put me in disbelief. It goes against the FOMC plan. Yeah, that's also I was also saying, Kevin. One more manipulation before the drop. So that's why I'm gonna let that play out, and then if it starts dropping, that's where you're gonna drop in the 1 minute and look to capitalize on it. So what we want to see before we look at any short, we need to see it violate a bearish PD ray, and like you can also look for confirmation too. If it's gonna be violate both sides, that's not a clear sign. You want to see it really choose a direction and slam towards that direction. Yeah, but one more drop or one more manipulation is something I could anticipate for sure. Alright, this is 230 here. I'm going to try to move the execution labels Doesn't want to get my chart. Okay. So I'm gonna watch for this here. We're gonna watch this BPR and also this 1 minute. If we start getting a strong closure below, violate this order block, violate this FEG, I want to see lower prices. Really shoot to this low here.
Has J-Pow taken stage?
I have no idea. I usually just ignore J-Pow and just let. There we go. Okay. I'll watch this close first before I do anything drastic.
CNBC always has it. The stream's. He still has to take his stage on the stream. There's a delay, but we'll see.
Things are already spicy before he even got on stage. Isn't that crazy?
Yep. You need to hear 2 words, and you'll see the market just go crazy. You'll hear.
I didn't want to see a closure first, but we're already kind of slamming down. I'm looking for shorts actively here.
Wow, look at that flip. J-Pow's late, and the markets are mad, so they're dumping.
Yeah, I was too focused to hear what you said. Dude, that's actually true. The market's like, why are you not speaking? Dump it, dump it. That means he's obviously have something to hide. Dump the markets right now.
He's on stage.
Yeah, we got closure below, but I want to see it. Still idle here. The thing is, like, we don't have to trade at the 230 on the dot. Like, once they start delivering, that's where I'm gonna try to jump in. That becomes very, very clear.
You shoot under 314, I think really sell hard.
Check the 5 minute here. Come on. Powell, do something.
He's
It definitely looks lower now. That like I said, we were going for the manipulation, second manipulation up to really think and trap people, thinking like, oh, we're going back up, but nope. I want to see the slam down just through this low here.
This is kind of underwhelming thus far. Hopefully we see more movement.
I think we're about to, though. We're going to get that in a second.
Ooh, look at that.
Yep, there we go. Alright, just going to try to let this move. Do his thing. Want to see the slam down here. I'm already at a good state with my Apex account, so I'm not going to try to force anything or rush into it blindly, so I'm still looking downwards right now.
I'm not content with my prediction until we see overnight lows.
Yeah.
I still expect more.
Had we didn't get the strong close, I'll probably be into short already. I just don't want to ruin my accounts right now when we're sitting a good area for it.
We just have to see if 1 minute fair value gap. Let's see. If we inverse this 1 minute, I really do think we'll see overnight lows.
You slam down here. Slam it down. Slam it down. This is already a good drop too from definitely the highs there.
Okay.
Interesting. Do you?
There's some volatility. Look at that. Oh my god.
That could have been an entry there. Damn. I'm like just sometimes when it moves so fast, I'm like, okay, let me just I want to watch this. But that moved so fast.
Yeah, we're floating off the CE here on the 1 minute. If we inverse this, it's gone.
This is where Powell said good evening. It's like yes, he's talking. Yo, what's up, Dona? You trading this action right now?
Yeah, longed it.
If this drop again, that's 2 failures. Let's just watch that carefully here.
Bounce off the previous day high.
Ooh.
Might fill that wick to 340 now. Drop off again.
Alright, let me see if I want to jump in my apex here. We kind of, we bounced at the New York Open on ES on the dot here.
There's a good chance might take out the high, to be honest.
Market's just finding itself right now.
Balance.
I want to see if we get some confirmation to flip here first. You don't want to stand in front of the train. Not at all.
Trade has left.
Wow.
Yeah, let's go. Take up the high. Give me a 20K day. Powell say anything?
I don't know. He probably said hello, and then we're moving.
I'm watching the meeting. He's just making a statement right now.
It's moving up higher. Good drop though. I want to see if this would actually distribute one direction now.
I think it's gonna take out the high. When it's this fast, look at the 15-second chart.
When do we start actually moving one direction? Typically in FOMC 245, you think?
Yeah.
I think like around now we should already choose a direction, but if it's choosing upside, that could be up too. So I'm not gonna try to marry the downside when we already got a strong push down.
Mm-hmm.
But I still think there's a lot of sell side below that I could really go for. That's the thing.
There's that infamous statement.
What do you say? Appropriate to slow pace? Is that what you're saying?
No, you just said we remain with our goal. inflation back down to 2%.
I'm just getting the news from Twitter, like some news Twitter channel. The question is gonna be good. Still pushing higher. We do have 3 lower highs here. Still chopping around because we haven't really chose either upside or low side to continue yet.
Well, there's high resistance liquidity there.
I'm not gonna lie, this is so underwhelming right now.
Yeah. I mean, I did my thing with that 2 p.m. drop. I'm just gonna see if I can finish off with 2:30. If not, I'm not gonna force it. I have like 12 accounts that's nearly passed from that 2 p.m. already.
Christ, dude.
We were doing evals on Apex evals on the news drop.
Oh, okay. Powell says policy rate is likely at peak cycle. That's gonna send everything up.
We do look pretty bullish, but
No bullish comments here. We're only bears here. It's gonna pop here. Damn. Just waiting.
if we break that high, I think we see a really nice move up. But it's been underwhelming so far.
You're gonna regret those words once we're gonna get Powell say something bullish. It's gonna be boop.
Come on, really? There we go.
Good push.
Send it.
Check the high here.
To the moon. Watch this just dump all the way back down. Just makes it this SMT with ES right now. Just crashes all the way down.
Powell still speaking.
He's trying to talk up the economy right now in their plan, but nothing's changed.
Yes, we took another high there. Kind of not holding that high though.
NQ fails here. This thing's gonna dump.
Yeah,
hard.
yeah, I really agree with that. We're just relying on Q now. It's you and Q.
What do you think the median age in that room is right now? I think like 55. I don't know about you guys.
I'm not watching the video, so I actually don't know.
From like the reporters or the people asking questions to J-Pow, I think it's like 55.
No one young gonna be.
Chat, what do you think?
Okay. Let's see. This order block I'm looking at here, we're likely closing this 1 minute inversion on ES. Want to see if we can actually get a substantial move downwards now. Need confirmation on this before jumping in though.
Come on, NQ, let's go.
You want to go upwards, Dona?
I want to get sent to the moon.
It does look like
There
you're
we
gonna
go.
get what you wish for.
How much left? Nothing but
Yeah, well, it looks like we're expanding upwards. So I'm just gonna have to let
see
this play
the
out.
see in the daily There's like a low resistance liquidity around the daily chart as well, so that should get taken out. Not today, but I think it's leading towards there.
Damn. J-Pow just strike back at a reporter.
They tell me to shut the fuck up and buy.
The reporter asks a question and you just like, check yourself.
Check it.
Good push.
So we're choosing expand upwards right now. Slam down here. We have a nested order block in 1 minute here.
Be careful continuation. Because once we find our direction, it's gonna move hard.
Bullish order flow EXE initiated. There's a lot of air above 508.
So pushing higher.
I think you can see 506.
Still not pressing any buttons on my apex here. But we're expanding upwards. I did not think it would do this, so I wasn't prepared for this. But no losses there.
Crypto's reacting nicely with this 2D.
Okay. I think NQ did take out the high time frame here. Buy side. I want to see the reaction from there. Let me push this to back.
Yeah, go straight, point out, hit the 1 hour FVG.
Focus on the balance that took out buy side, which is this 1 minute here at 246. If we get a strong displacement through there, we can be really looking for a turn. Yeah, Ridge D. I was also looking for downside, but like that's the thing. If you have a bias or whatever, like you need to make sure like if the bias is against you, you'll still be profitable. And like let's say you think it's gonna go down 230, and you're like, okay, I'm gonna short now just because I think it's gonna go down. My bias was also short, like 230 move. Like I thought 2 p.m. we're gonna move upwards, which we did, and then 230 move downwards. And that 230 really didn't give a strong move downwards. It did initially, but now we're really doing the true move expansion upwards. If you're wrong in that, just make sure you're not taking any losses. I'm watching this 246 candle here though. If we get a strong push through, I'm going to try to jump in on my eval here. My apex. Okay, let's see here. Candle close in 20 seconds. I want to see a closure under it. Push through. Alright, I'll try a short here. I won't add if it comes back up. Have some at 417.
I'm gonna pop off here,
Okay.
and I'll head back. I'll join your next live stream if you go live.
Yeah, okay.
And chill with you.
Sure.
Alright, bro. Good luck, bro.
Yep. Alright, let's see if I get some ads here. Let this play through downwards. Come on, baby. Shoot back up.
Seems bullish as hell, man.
This is what I had here. I had 2 in, took 1 off right there, and then trade back up. There's a break even for me. But it's trailing, so it's actually against me right now. I'm going to hold this one first. I'll try to keep my thing. See if we can show it better. No, nope. I want to get some good ads into it. But yeah, we already closed above. I'll just kill this trade here and let it play out more. Did get a nice push down, which I were able to take off 1 here for 441, 30 points. I was only a few hundred from passing, so I was looking for like a push to like another 15 points maybe, but it really reversed on me. Very unlucky. But we're gonna try to keep on going with it. It's a higher move here already. Still gonna be focused on this candle here, this FEG. Let's look at the high there. A little SMT going on, right? Mark that out. I don't think I want to play the upside right now. I'm only looking for confirmation to play the push downwards. We're too high up for me right now, especially after this move up. I still have lots of sell side down here. I want to see that delivered downwards. Try to manage my risks. What I want to do is just do once I get confirmation, I just want to get an entry to it, and then once it starts delivering more, I'm going to try pyramid to the entry and see if we can go for a pass. But it's slowing down right now. Want some more action in this. Okay, let's see. Bullish SMT on NQ, bearish on ES. Let it play out. Okay, I'm gonna watch this. NVIDIA still push. Let's see, we got a flip here. How's Dixie doing? Dixie slamming down. And that's kind of what I was calling for. Let me show the Dixie chart. I have a other monitor. I think I did it previous stream where I was saying like I'm looking for Dixie to, if this loads. We kept on moving buy side, and then we have lots of equal lows down here. Dixie to go straight through down there. Yeah, maybe if we used exceed confirmation, we could have looked for more more upside right now. Not playing anything here. Damn. So 2 p.m. moved higher. 2:30. I guess they did a fake move, but then we're now really distributing upwards. So that could be a win, I guess. I did not expect to really push upwards. I should have looked at other criteria.
I would wait. I would wait until it hits 506. That's the daily buy side liquidity, and then see what happens. Because right now there's just too much open air.
Yep.
The only thing I can see is if this hourly closes below this FBG in the hourly chart, then I'd probably start looking for shorts there.
All right. Yeah.
The March 13th 8 a.m. candle.
Try to do one. Try to enter one contract again, and a pyramid into it if it works.
Okay, let's see if we take out 405, the biggest structure, and this thing will probably come down.
I'm gonna try to get it out of here. Just made a starter entry there. And I'm trying to pyramid into this. Just one right now. My max size will be 5, so keep that in mind. I wanted to see if I can pyramid into it, if it's the right move downwards. We've been expanding upward all day, or since 2:30. So, okay, good move down here. Let's look at the 30-second just to make sure we can see things more clearly right now while slow moving. Look at YM too.
There's an SMT, I think. Very slightest.
Just one in right now, waiting. Reminders, Apex Evals. Okay, so it's just bouncing too much. I'll just kill that right now. 200 there. Let's wait for shows a confirmation again. Just gonna dip my toe in, and then if it really delivers where I want it, I'll actually dive into it. Okay, that looks like a nice super again. I'm gonna try jump another one in here. If it goes past as high, I'll probably get rid of it. This looks good though. All right, let's get some ads if it start delivering past these lows. Still bouncing around.
Should take us outside. Well, the market's wrong. This is too choppy.
It is too choppy. If it takes us high, I'm likely gonna take it out for now. This looks still good, but we're still chopping back and forth. That's why I have one in. I'm just putting my foot in, and if it start confirming downwards, I'll add to it. Hasn't given me that yet. Hasn't given me that yet. It's not giving me that yet. It's a pretty lackluster FOMC though. It's minus the 2 p.m. initial move. How many did we actually do the 2 p.m. here? We started from down at 272, explosive move about 70 points, and then like 5 minutes later, from 272 all the way to 403. So like 150 points. Yeah, it's too early. Get rid of this too. I should get rid of it at the high wick.
Price. If it fails here, it might be down.
I'm actually waiting for confirmation here still. Okay, we're getting some good moves here. So we jump in again. Oh, this is probably the last attempt to see if it actually wants to turn here. The 1 minute. This is a sharp wick that got strong rejected. Yeah. Watching to see if it wants to come back up to it. You got a decent ad here.
Short at 433.
Damn. Okay.
Hey, pray for me, lads.
I'm gonna try joining with you. One more time. Just gonna do one and then we'll add to it.
Okay. Backfire.
Watching this consequent encroachment here. You said you cut it?
Yeah. Come on. Play this. If it tries to go up into the hourly FAG one more time, then I might enter again. I know it's a bit of a premature cut, but it's only clean these conditions.
I'm just gonna. Oh, I had a bad fill there. I'm gonna go one more right here now. Just gonna be like it's gonna be more of a 9-point stop if it does run above. I'm watching that consequent encroachment wick here. That strong manipulation. Still in the apex here. I want to see if it slams down so I can pyramid into it and go for a pass. It's still holding very. I want to see it slam down. There we go.
Yeah, the spike up kind of spooked me.
Is this gonna finally break here, or is it just gonna come back up? Which is gonna be ridiculous if it does. It's so choppy. This is really, really choppy.
That's why I got out, dude. This is good. I have to wait for like the 215 or something. And it's forming like a fucking bull flag, so it just might pump up again.
Yeah, every time we get a start in, we get like 20 points immediately, and then it just goes against us. Every single time. Gave back a few hundreds then. Not fun, but the one that counts that was 1800 is back to 800 right now. Just 1 minute getting, just seeing for one move. We're not getting that one move.
Version.
Yeah,
I'm
check out this here.
not that short.
Yeah, if you want to see the count that I was working with, I think it was like, this is 25, which I left this alone, and these two was at like 1600, 1600. Gave back doing 1 minute each, trying to see if I can go for it. I have some accounts down there, here too. Let me see. It's just statics I'm trying to play with in the morning.
It's like 506 might be likely now. I'm surprised we didn't raid 406.
Look at high time frame. We're still just pushing higher. Yeah, maybe we should have jumped. So basically, like, I performed well the 2 p.m. drop, but the 2:30, I'm not doing so hot on that. Just 1 for 2 in that. But the Apex count's still alive at least. I try to do that for the stream. That was my focal point. This doesn't look like it's selling off anytime soon right now. Everything's getting bought up. 506. You guys look at the buy side here. That's where it's heading. We're not too far from there. Nothing really to call for here. Just moving too slow. We lost the volatility now. Now we're just grinding up. Man, if I already called a 230 move upwards, I went 100% on FOMC. I got half right. And Q on daily rejection block. Let's take a look. You're looking at these two candles here. That's what we're looking at. But I think a lot of people are looking for this 506 to be rated here, and that would kind of get a raid, and then we could be looking at this rejection block instead.
It's inverted for value gap at 436. I wonder if it'll reach there.
Any trade today? We were only on eval. If you want to see the results we're sitting at, we did pretty good at 2 p.m. drop. with 12 accounts. We have 15 accounts total. And these last two here was at like 1,600 each. We kind of gave some back. Trying to play for that move down, just doing 1 mini, but that's basically it. We haven't done anything else. 1 hour Reaper. It just kind of keeps on going up to hit this buy side. I think we lost all volatility now. It's just way too choppy here. Is that? Oh, I think that is a breaker here too. Do I see a breaker? And then we also have an hourly FEG. We'll mark that. See if this breaker actually holds. I think there should be a breaker sending us upwards too. If you're looking at this is also a breaker here. This upward channel with this hourly FEG. It did tap back inside, but it's just been very supportive. So this is the breaker here. Let me just make this scene visible in the hourly. Go back to hourly here. So we have an hourly FEG inside the breaker. We did tap inside here. With this breaker, we don't want price to move past 477 with a closure. Let's see if that holds a buy. He's still speaking. How many evals I got? Start of the stream, I said I bought 15 Apex evals. I'm gonna try to see if I can pass them the rest of the week though. I want to see if I can do them today though. That'd be lovely. But I want more confirmation before trying it here. Which we're getting confirmation off this hourly here, which is good.
Look at 3 drive almost forming bounces here again.
I want to see lower.
Okay, never mind then.
Moving back up.
These kind of like 20-point moves, man.
Yeah. We got closure under this 1 minute here. This could be the change of state delivery here if we can hold under 458. I can move down here. We're in the macro time. Should take out all these lows down here. I just hate when it's too choppy right now. I'm gonna let it figure out where it wants to go first. See, I will try one at 350 here. Check out these lows. Looking for 350, high 340s at least. That 1 minute FEG filled in. Looking for 350 to this upper end, and if it goes past 360, I'm looking to kill it. I'll take one right here. Looking to see ad here too. Looking for 350. Try to get rid of it if it goes above 360. Oh yeah, one more ad at 350s here. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna watch closely now. 360 and I'm out. Oh, we're moving fast. What the heck? Still Apex Evals. I'm on. And
Yeah, starting from that 3 drive now.
strong push up. Put the hard stop on now.
Do you have your accounts connected to your trading view like that?
Not these accounts because it doesn't let me connect with the Apex or trade Elite anymore. So I'm just replicating what I have on screen. Took me out. So did give away some accounts or give back some accounts here. Not fun. But try to pass it. This is where I'm at right now. 2,500, 200, 200. These two here was at 1,600 each, I think, a piece. This is all evals. 106. Going for 1 or 2 contracts on them. I'm trying to pass them, but I haven't failed any yet. I gave... Now each of them should have like about 1,200 drawdown left. That's still doable to go back. Yeah. Is audio gone? Someone said audio's gone. We're just distributing upwards right now. Yeah, so when we started the stream, we were talking about, I have 15 Apex evals, and I'm trying to pass them. 5 of them nearly got passed. The other 8, I think, is having a little trouble. But they were all getting there. Maybe I should have just shut off and then finish it the rest of the week. That'd been ideal. Yeah, you got saved there. Exited before that big pump. Pretty good.
Who doesn't want to die now, or what? means there's still 506 still left.
They're like gonna go for 506 right now. Pinkman, good long, man. I think I did see you say you wanted longs. Well done.
And ES is so clean.
There we go. That might be, that does look topish there.
3 drive double.
Should go lower. Try one more ad here. Just a 30-second chart. I'm gonna try to get 3 minis. I'm gonna add one, and then if it goes into 75s, I'll add another one. Let's see how these accounts work. $73. Adding to it here. I'm trying to get 3 in of 2 right now. Still back and bouncing back and forth.
This is relentless right now.
Looking for a push down to 57s or 455s. Look at this push here. There we go. Have 2 in right now. Trying to get this one off. Trying to focus on my ninja because I don't want to get close to passing and missing it here, like I did earlier. Let's go 30-second. I want to get slammed down to 55s. Straight back up. Yeah. This trailing is definitely going to be annoying.
Bouncing off that hourly FPG works for me.
A few $100 off right now. I'm only like a few hundred away from passing this, and that I think that slam down would have got me there, but decided not to do that for me. I just want to get some accounts done right now, but they don't want to try to set up for me. Yeah, well, it's gambling, but we're in evals right now. I'm so close to passing that I'm trying to see if I can get it. It's a bad decision for sure. But I'm showing the results with it. Let's see this drop here. I have no accounts failed yet on these evals. Being careful. If we get a strong delivery down to this past this order block, I'm adding to it and gonna slam down to these lows here. Just call it what you will for now. I just have, but when it's gambling, yeah. But I already invested like I think 450 bucks I think for 15 evals. Trying to see if I can pass 7 and 8 of them, half of them if I can. Get the rest off down here. All right. Straight back up. Getting close to it, man. Every time. Yeah. Average at 473 right now. Moving high from there.
Yeah, I'm seeing else. I'm gonna head out.
I might head out soon too then. This is still like, this was, if it hit down to 448, I think that would have passed there, but we got very close twice. And now we're break even again. Off this 473. And if this takes out the high, I'll just get out. And then I'll show the accounts I have right now. Yep, got out there. If you want to see the recap, this was at 2,700. I gave back, I think, or no, this was at 2,400. Gave back 500 on that. And these two here, the trend is going to be against me because even though I did well in the 2 p.m., I think these were both at 1,700. So this count should have about 2,000 or 1,800 left, and this count only has like 1,000 left. I'll try to finish it through the week, and we'll try to finish it tomorrow actually, and give you an update on that. Yeah, no, I'm definitely making that bad decision, but I already have this set with doing evals. I want to see it slam down, but it's just going against me. 2 p.m. I did good. 2:30, it's very sloppy. I can go for 506. That's why I really headed into this trading hour, trying to only do evals, or trading evals, not. Why trading evals, not PAs? I'm still gonna start trading funders again tomorrow. I don't trust price action to really deliver that well here. But yeah, definitely bad move for me after I think 250 here. Only I can really say I only did 1 or 2 minis each time with them, and I gave back slowly, but try to go for a pass. We're still positive on all the accounts at least though. Tomorrow we'll be back to funded accounts, and then I'll be looking for more actionable trades. I was looking for this breaker to hold here because it was holding initially here on the hourly. This is what I was looking at once we started rejecting here. Let me go on the 1 minute so I can see. So this is where I was starting short here, and then it just slammed down. So like we did get it pushed down, not enough for me to get an exit. Your winning rate is less than 50%. These aren't alert type of trades. These aren't 8+ set. I'm going based trying to pass them on evals with volatility. So maybe I shouldn't have let the stream run in too much. This is something I'll just do on my off time to see if I can get it past going in one go. But yeah, hope that you guys did good 2 p.m. move. I gave back clearly at 2:30, post 2:30, but I'm showing every single execution on the way though. So if you want to see all the execution here, I try to show as best I can. This is what we did here. We shorted 2 p.m. here, 2 big shorts, one at the BPR, and slammed it down lower. And then after 2:30, it's just a lot of like 15, 20 point give back on 1 mini trades. So we made like about $1,500 here, and then just every $200, $300, $400 drop, which is not fun, but yeah, like I think people are viewing me as like right now, like I'm trading real cash right now. We started the first stream. I kept on saying I have 15 evals on Apex, and I'm trying to pass them today. I got close to passing half of them, or basically most of them here. We gave back. Definitely look back. Like I said, these were at 2,400. These were at 1717. Gave back, but we're still positive on them. I think I'm controlling my risks. If anyone passed any evals today, congrats. But try to size as small as I can, and every time I got killed. So like you can see, I did 1 mini, and then exited for 15-point loss there. This one is about 20-point loss. This one is about 20 points. It just keeps on going like that. But I think that's a good spot to end stream. Tomorrow, I'm just gonna go back to trying to trade my funded again. So I'm gonna end the stream here. But yeah, if you want the roadmap, Monday, Tuesday was no news drivers. That's why I avoided funded. And then Wednesday, FOMC. Post FOMC was gonna be good delivery, but I think I wasn't aware too much because I'm still trying to. I'm in the eval mindset, so that kind of definitely moved me away from trying to like look through the time frame, look at the bias. But yes, it's on the eval, guys. Tomorrow we'll be straight back to trying one trade per session and unfunded. And once again, I'll show all the results, whether it's good or bad. So far, right now, Apex are still green. I think some of the accounts have definitely given back some trailing drawdown, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. What time you stream tomorrow? It's gonna be AM for sure. AM. Post FFC is gonna be really good price action. So let me check this in. 9:50 to 12 Eastern time. AM stream. I also have. I'll give away 2 my funded futures accounts tomorrow. We have 5 accounts to give away this week. We didn't give one today. We're just gonna roll over for tomorrow. 2 tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.